What is the best mode of transportation? When I was small, my grandmother always my grandmother tell me used to tell me one story. The story was she told me when she was small, then she she when she went for school, then she used our legs to go the school. Then after that, my father uh, my father my father would to go school. Then he used a bicycle. Then and now you are going to school and you are using motorcycle. The way of transportation, that mean she told the way of transportation change day by day. She used to tell me a story. There are three main transportation according to me. First one is air transportation. The transportation are done through aeroplane. Second one is transportation, and the land transportation are done through vehicle. And everything that this transportation, every person know that transportation, because we are uh, we are transport anything on land. And third one is from sea water transportation, and this transportation are done through a ship. These all three transportation are very important for our growth of economy. First, air transportation. The air transportation are everyone know air transportation are done in air only, and that through aeroplane. But the aeroplane, in that two type of transportation, the passenger transportation and second second any material transportation. But there the aeroplane have a limit to transport, but aeroplane the only one way to fast transportation to one place to another, to one country to another country. But from land transportation, is the biggest transportation compared to both, because the land transportation, every small to biggest thing we are transport through a vehicle with using roads. And this transportation are used to uh, any common person. And these transport have a many government vehicle. And this transportation are second in that this transportation, the subtype is uh, railway transportation. In that railway transportation, this is the second one transportation in all over the world, fastest transportation on all over the world, because the speed of railway is faster than vehicle and ship. But compared to lower than aeroplane. And this railway are converted into metro, and the metro, we know that the speed of metro. And third transportation is in sea water transportation. That transportation are done through a ship. Have you watched Titanic picture, Titanic movie? In that, this ship was biggest ship in all, biggest ship yet. Means you know the highest capacity to transport any material to one country to another country. This type of transportation requires a time to transport any material, but this type of transportation we can transport any heavy material through that transportation, and there have no limit, but according to capacity of ship they can transport that thing. So all of three transportation, I think this transportation which I know, this transportation also used to and this type of transportation are also used to war. Air transportation means our rocket to shoot anything, any place. Second one is land transportation, and means our army are walking or running on the land to fire anyone, to fire our uh, mm, to fire our oppositor. And third one is ship transportation. We have you seen Ghazi attack? Then you should know the how the ship are important. Ship are important to protect our sea water, sea water corner of our sea water boundary of our country. This also use. This is also used. This also we are using our transportation. And in that third transportation, ship transportation, they have now are developed uh, into submarine, because the submarine uh, are under the water, and one pipe are out from the water, and that can help to see anything. All type of transportation and many type of all type in that sub type of transportation have we will we 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 are knowing that transportation. So I think I think I have said all type of transport. I have given information about all type of transportation which I have seen yet. But fourth transportation is a rocket transportation. This is also type of transportation. We can launch the rocket from our Earth land, and this rocket goes to another uh, another ana, to another planet, uh, another subplanet. This is also type of transportation according to me. I think I have given all type of information about transportation. You have if you I think I have said all type of transportation. So thank you. Until there, stay happy. I will meet you in next video with new topic. Until there, stay happy, stay motivated, and you say your view on this topic. Thank you.